In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify. If you're eager to enhance your Shopify store with authentic customer feedback from Aliexpress, you're in the right place. Reviews are incredibly important as they help build credibility and instill trust in potential buyers. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, head over to your Shopify store. Once you're logged in, look towards the left-hand side of your dashboard and click on the Apps section. Here, we will add a specific app designed to streamline this process. Now, within the Apps section, you'll need to search for an app called Ali Reviews. It's a popular app that's widely used for importing reviews from AliExpress to Shopify stores effortlessly. Once you've found it in the search results, go ahead and install it. This may take a moment, so hang tight. Once you have Ali Reviews installed, it's time to take a closer look at the app's functionality. Click on the Manage Reviews option. This will guide you to a comprehensive dashboard where you can manage everything related to importing reviews. Now, it's time to identify the products from your Shopify store that you want to enhance with reviews. Scroll through your product list within the Ali Reviews app until you find the products for which you wish to import reviews. When you find a product, such as a stainless steel toilet paper holder, go ahead and click on Import Reviews located right next to it. To gather the reviews, you will need to locate the specific AliExpress page for that product. Open the product you have in mind on AliExpress and then go ahead and copy the link for that product page. Once you've done that, return to the Ali Reviews app where you're importing reviews. In the Ali Reviews app, there's a section that prompts you to paste the product URL you've just copied. Paste it accurately into that field, then click on the Import button. The app will begin importing all available customer reviews associated with that product from AliExpress. Finally, to ensure everything transferred correctly, navigate back to your Shopify store and double check that the reviews have been imported. You can scroll down on the product page and see all the customer reviews that have been added. This not only provides insight into your product's marketability, but it gives your store an opportunity to exhibit genuine feedback, further attracting potential shoppers. And there you have it, a straightforward way to import valuable reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store, enriching your online presence with authenticity and customer engagement. If done correctly, this can significantly impact your store's credibility. Thanks for watching and happy selling.